Jumpspeak is marketed as an AI-powered language learning app that helps users practice real conversations, improve speaking confidence, and learn languages faster through AI interactions. The demos make it look like having a personal language tutor in your pocket. But the real question is, can AI actually teach you a new language? Now, to be fair, AI has become a useful tool for language learning. Apps like Jumpspeak can provide interactive speaking practice that's difficult to get from traditional language courses alone. What it does well: AI conversation practice. You can practice speaking with an AI instead of waiting for a human language partner. Focus on speaking skills. The app emphasizes real-world conversations rather than just memorizing vocabulary, where the hype falls apart. It's not a complete replacement for immersion. No AI app can fully replicate living in a country or having regular conversations with native speakers. Speech recognition isn't perfect. The AI may occasionally misunderstand your pronunciation or provide imperfect feedback. Progress depends on consistency. Using the app occasionally won't make you fluent. Regular practice is still essential. So, should you use Jumpspeak? Short answer: yes, if you want more speaking practice. If your goal is to build confidence speaking a new language, Jumpspeak can be a useful learning tool. But don't expect AI alone to make you fluent without additional study and real-world practice. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.